Governing principle of harmonious construction. The Supreme Court has explained some important points to be kept in mind regarding the law of limitation and condonation of delay while refusing to condone the delay of 5,659 days in the appeal deciding a special leave petition, SLP, preferred by the legal representatives of a man in a land acquisition case. The two-judge bench of Justice Bela M. Trivedi and Justice Pankaj Mithal in the case Patpati Subba vs. Special Deputy Collector, 2024 mentioned the following principles based on harmonious construction. Principles as follows. I. Law of limitation is based upon public policy that there should be an end to litigation by forfeiting the right to remedy rather than the right itself. 2. A right or the remedy that has not been exercised or availed of for a long time must come to an end or cease to exist after a fixed period of time. 3. The provisions of the Limitation Act have to be construed differently, such as Section 3 has to be construed in a strict sense whereas Section 5 has to be construed liberally. 4. In order to advance substantial justice, though liberal approach, justice-oriented approach or cause of substantial justice may be kept in mind but the same cannot be used to defeat the substantial law of limitation contained in Section 3 of the Limitation Act. We courts are empowered to exercise discretion to condone the delay if sufficient cause had been explained, but that exercise of power is discretionary in nature and may not be exercised even if sufficient cause is established for various factors such as where there is inordinate delay, negligence and want of due diligence. 6. Merely some persons obtained relief in similar matters. It does not mean that others are also entitled to the same benefit if the court is not satisfied with the cause shown for the delay in filing the appeal. 7. Merits of the case are not required to be considered in condoning the delay, and 8. Delay condonation application has to be decided on the parameters laid down for condoning the delay and condoning the delay for the reason that the conditions have been imposed, tantamount to disregarding the statutory provision.